This is Professor Antonio S. Marajas, and this is Advanced Digital Technique. Our discussion for today is about how to derive a Boolean equation or expression. Okay? So before we go into deriving a Boolean expression, let us define first some very important words or terms that we will be using later. So the first one is the product term. So what is a product term? It is a single variable or the logical product of several variables. These variables may or may not be complemented. Example, you have x is a variable, single variable. Okay, that's one basic example of a product term. X, y, z is another example of a product term. So they are logically multiplied together. Another example is x bar, y bar. Again, these are two variables which are logically multiplied together, and it says the variable may or may not be complemented. So this one here, these are variables which are complemented. So that is a product term. Okay? Now, sum term. What is a sum term? Again, it is a single variable or the logical sum of several variables. And these variables may or may not be complemented. So, we have here an example. Again, x can be a sum term. X plus y plus z is another example of a sum term. They are logically added together. Okay? Then, another example is x bar plus y plus z bar. This is again another example of a sum term. No? So if you notice that x and z are complemented. So again, sum terms may or may not be complemented. The variables in the sum term may or may not be complemented.